Hello guys, welcome to my channel Tongue to Tummy. Today I am gonna share with you the spicy, tasty and everyone's favorite chicken curry. So let's get started. To begin with, I have taken 700 gram chicken. To this add half tablespoon turmeric powder, half tablespoon chili powder, half tablespoon coriander powder, half tablespoon pepper powder, half tablespoon salt, 1/4 cup curd, half teaspoon ginger paste, half teaspoon garlic paste. Coat all the ingredients well with the chicken. Marinate the chicken for at least 1 hour. Moving on to the next step, add 1 cup oil. To this I am going to add 1 bay leaf, whole garam masala like 2 cardamom, 2 small cinnamon stick, 4 cloves. Stir it until the whole spices leaves its fragrance. Next in goes 1 teaspoon sugar. Stir it until the sugar caramelizes, which will help to give a nice red color to the curry. So you can see the sugar has melted. Add 3 roughly chopped onions. Make sure you keep the flame low not to burn the sugar. Fry it till golden brown. The onion has turned light brown in color. At this stage, add 3 dry red chili. Give it a mix until the onion turns golden brown. So my onions are ready. Adding half teaspoon garlic paste, half teaspoon ginger paste, 1 teaspoon jeera paste, 1 teaspoon red chili paste. Mix everything on medium heat until the raw smell goes away. Add 1 chopped tomato. Saute until the tomatoes becomes a little mushy. Add the marinated chicken. Into it goes 1 heaped tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Coat all the spices well with the marinated chicken. Adding 1 more tablespoon of salt. I have already added some salt while marinating the chicken. You can add salt as per your own taste. Stir it well. Now cover and cook for 10 minutes on low heat. So after 10 minutes the chicken has left some water by itself, you can see. Stir it well. Add 1/4 cup water. Stir everything well again. Cover the lid and slow cook for another 8 minutes. The chicken now has absorbed all the masalas very well. Now add 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. Cook for 10 minutes on low heat, stirring in between. My chicken curry is ready now. You can see the color is so lucrative. You can have this chicken curry with roti, rice and paratha. And yes, don't forget to add some tomato, onion and cucumber salad with it. So if you have liked this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. See you soon with another exciting recipe. Till then, enjoy!